In this video, I'll share with you a month 1 update on my dividend stock portfolio. If you're new to my channel, I work as a finance manager at a top tech company with an MBA in finance and a CPA designation. For a quick background, since March 2024, I started to invest $2,000 into stocks each month. $1,000 of it gets invested into dividend stocks, and another $1,000 gets invested into undervalued stocks. In this video, I'll give you an update on my dividend stock portfolio, and I'll do another video to do an update on my undervalued stocks. So without any further ado, let's go into my Excel tracker to discuss how my dividend portfolio is performing so far. In this table, you'll see my current dividend stock portfolio consisting of 5 different companies, the number of shares I purchased, the average cost per each share, and the total investment, which is just the average cost times number of shares. And since March 2024 was my first month of investing $1,000, you'll notice that my total investment is right around $1,000. To be precise, I spent $993.73 last month. And if we plug in the current prices of the stocks in these cells, we'll get the dollar profits and the percentage profits in these columns too. Let's start with the first stock, which is AvalonBay Communities, which is a real estate company, and the current price of their stock is $185.56, which means that I made $9.83 so far in profit, or 5.6% return on my investment. The next stock is Verizon, which is a phone and internet company, and I bought 6 shares for a total investment of $240.12. At the time of this video, the current price of the Verizon stock is $41.89. This means that I have $251.34 in the Verizon stock so far, with $11.22 as a profit, and 4.7% return on my investment. The next stock is UPS, which is a postal company, and the current price of their stock is $148.60. So I'm making $1.62 as a profit, or 1.1% return. Stock number 4 was Pfizer, and I bought 10 shares for a total value of $267.10. As of now is $27.76, which means that I made $10.50 of profit so far, or 3.9% return on my investment. And the last company is PepsiCo, which I bought for $163.80. The current price of the stock is $175.75, which means that I made almost $12 of profit on the stock so far, or 7.3% return. And none of these stocks paid me their quarterly dividends yet, so I'm not counting that into my profits. So overall, you'll see that I invested $993.73 across 5 stocks, and the current value of my portfolio is $1,038.85. This means that I'm up by $45.12 so far, or 4.5% return on my investment. Make sure to stay tuned for my new video in a couple of days of my new dividend stock investments in April 2024. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.